Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 Mercedes-Benz E350. This one's a steel gray. Underneath the hood's a 3.5 V6 with 302 horsepower and 273 pounds torque. This one does come with a sports package with a sports exterior and interior. 17-inch split 5-spoke alloy wheels. Silk beige MB text interior with the burl walnut wood trim. Sunroof. E350 4MATIC badging. Clean set all season WeatherTech floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Lane tracking package with blind spot assist, lane keep assist. Premium 1 package with Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats. Burl walnut leather steering wheel. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Navigation. Rear view backup camera. Hard keys for the radio. Heated seats. Rear shade. Dual climate controls. Cup holders. Turn wheel for the infotainment center. This E-Class has 61,534 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E350 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.